Hello, and welcome to an exciting morning in England. Inside this box is my gaming PC. I have paid full retail price for this PC. I've not received any discounts, and I'm not sponsored by AWD IT. Without further ado, let's open up the box and see what's inside. And this might be useful for some of you who might want to order a pre-built PC and are curious about what comes in the box. Right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, lots and lots of packaging. This is quite cool. And here we have the invoice. I will detail the full specs of my computer in a different video. I did look at a couple of other retailers as well, but I purchased from AWD IT because they had the case and specs and the price that I found very attractive. And this purchase also include Alan Wake 2, which is nice. So here is the spec sheet. So I'll put that on the screen. First of all, I'm not even going to touch these other boxes. I'm going to go straight for the main thing. The 4070. Wow. First time that I own an RTX card. It's not a 4080 or 4090 because you would have seen like a third fan there. But it's glorious to have like a 40 series GPU in my house. And then we have the Be Quiet Pro Rock 2. This was a base fan, the most basic one offered with my CPU and GPU combination. So I'm putting that there. And this is the power supply, the Gigabyte P650B. I'm not fully clued up about power supplies today. So I will need to read the manual and get a little bit of a better understanding of all the different connections and yeah, things that I need to know. But it's good to see that it says that it's a silent fan. And then the motherboard, B550 with a lot of other extra words. And let's see what's inside. Wow, a lot more components in here. There's a power cable, accessories for the case, SSD case as well, and the RAM box. This is quite cool. I did not expect the boxes for the components to be included. This is really nice, especially if I want the boxes displayed somewhere around the house to almost give me a little bit of a feel that it's my computer, like it's my custom built computer versus picking one up from a consumer electronics store that's pre-built by Hewlett Packard or Alienware, for example. So it is nice to have all the boxes, and they're also good for reselling items. If I want to sell any of them, I know that I can put them in their original box and send them off safely. However, there's also the bonus of being able to store things away in case I upgraded and just wanted things safely stored in my house until I build a second PC or anything. So this is quite nice that they include all the parts, and I believe that the retailer asked that you keep the boxes for 6 months in case anything needs to be sent back. So that's why the boxes are in here. That is a big plus. This is really exciting. I am absolutely stoked. I haven't even brushed my teeth or changed out of my pajamas. And this is an AMD Ryzen 500 desktop ready motherboard as well. And then I think I need to stand up for this because this is the actual PC. And it's inside the box or the case itself, which makes sense. So I'm going to stand up. I'm going to put away this box cutter, move some of these boxes. Right, how do I get this out without ruining the big box? Because I should probably keep the big box as well in case I need to send the whole tower back. trying to find a good place to put my fingers. Actually, I'm going to put it sideways. Time for the big moment. Time for the big moment to see my Fractal North case. I haven't seen this case, but this is the reason why I purchased the computer at this time, because I considered a PC roughly 8 months ago, but I couldn't find a case that I liked the look of. Either some cases were too small and pretty, or they were too big and just like too bulky. But this one, I fell in love with it outside. But this one, I fell in love with it online. Let's see whether I like it in person. I'm going to open this carefully. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Look at this. I like this monogram as well. I have no clue which way is up, which way is down. Yeah, this is the right way up. Okay, how can I get this PC out without breaking it? Okay, which side is the glass panel? The glass panel. I think it should lay out on its side. On its side. Ah, it's coming out. It's one-handed job. Glass, please handle with care. Gonna handle that with care. What do I have here? North user guide. I'm going to keep this, especially since I will probably make some modifications to the case. And now for the grand reveal. Ooh, this looks good already. Wow. I can see the gold on the feet. Look at the feet. Matte black as well. This is nice. This is really nice. And make sure that it doesn't bang down, even though it's carpeted here. If it falls too quickly on its side, the grass might crack. Oh my Lord. This is stunning. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Voila. Real wood on the front as well. And I'm super happy with the color of the wood. Because it's a natural material, you don't actually know how dark or light it will be until you get your case. I've seen pictures online, and some have wood that's slightly lighter, but I'm super pleased that the wood on my case is darker, because that's going to fit in with my TV cabinet that you will see in a separate video. But this is beautiful. And if worst case, if the wood was a little bit too bright or too light, I would have probably darkened it with a varnish or a polish. But this is nice. This is minimal but elegant. And here is a window. I like that I can remove the glass without having to use screwdrivers. I'm going to detail everything about the case in a different video, so please subscribe. I'm going to be very careful here because I'm a complete novice. I've never owned a case with a glass panel, and I've never even touched a case with a glass panel. So how do I safely get this off? Oh, I need to remove the top cover first. How on earth do I remove this? Yeah. Oh, you slide it backwards. The glass durable? Yeah, glass is much thicker than I expected. I expected it to be quite light and fragile, but it's sturdy. And here we go. Let's see the guts. I'm gonna remove these carefully without wrecking any of the components. Oh, I can hear a couple of noises. Makes me nervous that I'm snapping connectors and potentially. How do I remove this? This is like a huge pillow. Do I need to remove the GPU? Yeah, I think I might need to remove the GPU to take this foam away, but it's nice to have it in there so that in transit there's not too much flex. But it is a little bit annoying though if you don't have any experience taking things apart, and now you all of a sudden need to remove the GPU in order to dislodge this. However, I can see here that I can remove the graphics cards without having to use a screwdriver. So that is very good. And I'm sure it won't take me more than 2 minutes to get that done. I'm not going to do it on this carpet because, it's carpeted and there might be some static electricity on it that might harm some of the components. It's beautiful. It's all matte black in here, like black themed. I was considering a white theme as well. So who knows? My next computer, if I get one in the next 10 years, that might potentially be white themed. But this is the case, and yeah, there is some I/O at the top as well, and on this other side, it's just black. It's gorgeous. I love it. Um, Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe because there will be a lot more videos about this case, and also you're going to see a showcase video of it in my lounge, and then you'll understand why I specifically bought this case. And I will also share some videos that will include gaming performance and how I'm going to use the PC. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.